Dear student, in this video we will learn chapter number 3 circle, practice set 3.4. Let's start. Here we have question number 1. In the adjoining figure, O is the center of the circle. Length of chord AB is equals to radius of the circle. Find the measure of each of the following. Find angle AOB, angle ACB, arc AB and arc ACB. Now let's see the solution of this question. Now you can see that here it is given that chord AB, you can see in this figure, chord AB is equals to the radius of the circle, and you can see here AB will be equals to OA and OB. Why? Because OA and OB are the radius of the circle, and the question it is given that chord AB is equals to radius of the circle. It means AB, OA and OB will be equal. Therefore triangle OAB will be an equilateral triangle because all three sides are equal. Okay, so the measure of angle AOB will be 60 degree. Why? Because each angle of an equilateral triangle is 60 degree. So now let's see the steps for this. Seg OA equals to seg OB and both are equals to the radius. AB equals to the radius of the circle. So from equation 1 and 2 we can say that AB, OA and OB will be equal. Okay, therefore triangle AOB is an equilateral triangle, so the angle AOB equals to 60 degree. Why? Because each angle of equilateral triangle is 60 degree. Now we will find angle ACB. Now you can see that here angle in this figure, angle ACB is inscribed angle. Can you see angle ACB? It's inscribed angle and it intercepts arc AB. You can see here arc AB is the intercepted arc by the angle ACB, and here we have an angle AOB. Okay, you can see in this figure angle AOB, it's a central angle at the center, right? And angle AOB also intercept the same arc AB. So here inscribed angle and central angle both intercept the same arc AB. Therefore angle ACB is half times of angle AOB. Now I know the measure of angle AOB. It's a 60 degree. Okay, so what we will get over here? Measure angle ACB equals to half into 60. Now cancel 60 by 2. We will get 30 degrees. So we got the measure of angle ACB 30 degree. Now we have to find out here arc AB. Okay, arc AB. And this arc will be equals to this central angle. You can see in this figure angle AOB is a central angle and it intercepts arc AB. And measure of central angle is equals to measure of intercepted arc. So the measure of angle AOB is equals to measure of arc AB, and we know angle AOB is 60 degree, right? So arc AB will also 60 degree. Now we have to find out here arc ACB. Now you can see in this figure arc ACB. Can you see arc ACB and arc AB together forms circle, and measure of circle is 360 degree. So arc ACB plus arc AB equals to 360 degree. So we will get measure arc ACB equals to 360 minus arc AB. So the 360 minus 60, 300 degree. So the measure of arc ACB equals to 300 degree. Now we will move to the next question, question number 2. In the adjoining figure, quadrilateral PQRS is a cyclic quadrilateral. Side PQ and side RQ are equal. Angle PSR is 110 degree. Let's see the solution of this question. Now you can see that here quadrilateral PQRS PSRQ is a cyclic quadrilateral, right? Cyclic quadrilateral means a quadrilateral having all vertices on the circle. And you can see here angle S and angle Q. Okay, angle S and angle Q are the opposite angles of cyclic quadrilateral. And opposite angles of cyclic quadrilateral are supplementary. Therefore, angle S plus angle Q will be 180 degree. So quadrilateral PQR is cyclic quadrilateral. It's a given. Therefore, measure angle PSR plus measure angle PQR equals 200 degree. Now we know the measure of angle PSR, it's 110 degree. So we will replace PSR by 110 degree. So 110 plus measure angle PQR equals 200 degree. Now we will shift 110 degree to that side of equal to. So we will get PQR equals to 180 minus 110. So PQR equals to 70 degree. So we got the measure of angle PQR. Now we have to find out arc PQR. Can you see arc PQR in this figure? And you can see angle PSR. Angle PSR is inscribed angle. Okay, angle PSR is inscribed angle, and inscribed angle is half of the intercepted arc. So I can say here angle PSR is half of arc PQR, right, by inscribed angle theorem. Now I know the measure of angle PSR, it's 110 degree, so we will replace PSR by 110. So 110 equals to 1 upon 2 times of measure arc PQR. Now this 2 will go this side, so we will get measure arc PQR equals to 110 into 2, that is 220 degree. Now we have to find out arc QR. Now in triangle PQR, these two sides are equal. You can see in this figure, PQ and RQ are equal. So the two sides of the triangle PQR are equal. That means this triangle is isosceles triangle. And we know that if two sides of any triangles are equal, then angle opposite to those two sides will also be equal. So in this figure, you can see angle P and angle R will be congruent to each other according to isosceles triangle theorem. So PRQ equals to QPR. So let PRQ and QPR be x degree. Okay, you can see in this figure, we will assume angle P and angle R as x degree. Okay, and we know angle Q, right? So sum of the three angles of this triangle will be 180 degree. Okay, PQR plus QPR plus PRQ equals to 180 degree. QPR we will write x, at the place of PRQ we will write x, and at the place of PQR we will write 70, right? Because we have calculated already the measure of angle PQR earlier, and x plus x will become 2x. Now we'll shift 70 to that side of equal to, so we will get 180 minus 70. 180 minus 70 is 110 degree. So 2x equals to 110. So x equals to 110 upon 2. That is 55 degree. So now you can see that value of x is 55 degree. So you can say that measure of angle PRQ and measure of angle QPR both will be equals to 55 degree. Angle QPR. Can you see angle QPR in this figure? It is an inscribed angle, right? Is it inscribed angle? Yes. And RQ is the intercepted arc by this angle. So the angle RPQ will be half of arc QR by inscribed angle theorem. Okay. Now I know the measure of angle QPR. It's 55 degree. Can you see that? 55 degree. So we will replace QPR by 55 degree. So 55 equals to 1 upon 2 times of measure arc QR. Now we'll shift to this side. So 55 into 2 is 110 degree. Now you can see here fourth one, PRQ and QPR both are equals to 55 degree. Already we have proved it earlier. So the measure of our angle PRQ is 55 degree.